Well, I'm here for dinner. I'm at the Disney Riviera Resort. I'm sitting outside in a little canopy, waiting to check in. The restaurant doesn't open until 5. It's a little before 5. I just got done with EPCOT. EPCOT was pretty fun. They had the Festival of the Arts. Check out our video before this video on that one. Yeah, we're just waiting. We actually wanted to come to this restaurant. We wanted to go to the morning when they used to do the character breakfast, but we didn't get a chance before we moved. Our move happened really quick. But if you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel. We are still here in Florida a little bit. Amber's in Nebraska, so we'll be doing kind of mix and match different videos of where we travel and all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Let us know if you've been here before, because this is kind of cool to go to the resorts. Everyone goes to the parks, but sometimes you gotta hit the resorts a little bit. So I'll show you around, and then show you the menu, and then what I'm going to order. I think they have the veal. Cross your fingers. I can't cross my fingers, but enjoy the video. So we're here at the Topolino Terrace, and we are going to start with the cocktails, draft beers, wines, and then we also got the antipasta, starters, handcrafted pasta, seafood, and meats. And here's more of the wine list. And they even have a backside. So the theming here is both Italy and France. So that's why you have French wines and Italian wines, and the entree is also French and Italian. So they call this the wheat stock bread. It looks pretty cool. So you dip it into your olive oil, which is made from France. It's a black olive oil. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see how good it tastes. Just a quick glance at what it looks like inside. It looks really good. It's nice and warm too, and flaky. Alright, so my food just came out. So these are potatoes with a little Brussels sprouts on top, and then that is the veal. I'm really excited. Looks really good. Smells delicious. We'll give it a gander. Can't wait. Alright, back to the dirty plate thing. But the potatoes were amazing. The veal was amazing. I know there's still some meat on the bone, but oh my goodness, it was really good. Definitely worth coming here. Highly recommend it. Back in the car again. There's not a good place to actually say goodbye at all up there. There's not, I mean, you can go out to the terrace, but it's cold. It's 40 degrees. So I didn't want to do that. But the food was fantastic. The bread was really good. I didn't care for the olive oil, but nonetheless, it was really good. The veal, amazing. The potatoes was great. It comes with Brussels sprouts, but nah, I'm a little too picky for that. But it was really good. Highly recommend it. The total price was $59, not including tip. Did get a 10% discount on top of that, but all in all, it was really good. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you get a chance to come here. Reservations are very slim, so hopefully you guys have a chance to go. But when you guys go, please don't forget to comment down below what you guys tried, what you guys ate, because we were kind of like, we would love to know what you guys partaked in to see how it compared and how it looked for us if we went. The other thing is, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. We love seeing those things, and that's pretty much it. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.